Equipment failure refers to any event in which equipment cannot accomplish its intended purpose or task, such as equipment not working, equipment not performing well, or not achieving its specified targets. How well are you doing in defeating failure in your organization? Is equipment failure impacting your production output? Are you missing critical customer delivery timelines? Is your product quality being compromised? The objective of maintenance is to minimize equipment failure, but when this does not happen, production reliability, costs and loss of profits, just to mention a few, become things of the past. If you are striving to improve the effectiveness of your organization or your maintenance function, then welcome to this course on the destructive force of failure. And here we will discuss and learn about tools and methods that you can use to control and limit the impact of destructive failure in your organization, which is vital to your ongoing productivity and profitability.